For decades, the standard business playbook has involved calling a tax accountant once a year when April rolls around. Checking that box and filing the paperwork creates a sense of security. The taxes are done, so the books must be clean. But that security doesn't account for the months of activity that follow. Every single day, money is spent. Invoices fly out, payroll hits, inventory shifts, and capital moves at high speed. Yet the math proving those daily actions actually work is checked only once every 12 months. Steering a fast-moving company using data that is months out of date creates a structural liability that most owners don't realize they have until a crisis hits. Between two tax seasons, the vast shaded middle section represents the 364-day blind spot. Here, leaders make active decisions without a clear ledger. Left unchecked, data turns chaotic, profit margins drift, and untracked transactions accumulate into a massive backlog. Operating inside this vacuum causes a sudden cash flow panic in a month like October. The capital is missing, and the ledger hasn't been touched since the spring, and no one can pinpoint where it went. Without accurate daily numbers, strategic planning is based more on intuition than financial truth. Correcting this requires shifting how the ledger is treated. AccountTech's full-service accounting team works inside the books every single day, turning financial verification into a continuous process. That process starts with closing every individual transaction the moment it occurs, rather than letting receipts age in a drawer. In this model, as revenue comes in, complex commission splits are calculated in real time and routed into their proper channels. Locking down those splits when they happen eliminates payout disputes with sales teams and stops the financial leaks caused by miscalculated percentages. This daily cadence prevents the compounding effect of unverified data, ensuring the workload stays manageable and the numbers stay accurate. By handling the micro actions daily, the macro actions become predictable. When the end of the month arrives, the books are already prepared and ready to close on schedule. This comparison shows the contrast. Delayed bookkeeping creates an unstable pile of unverified data, but daily pacing flows through the end-of-month gate without building a backlog. Because data clears on schedule, accurate reports are ready when the business needs to make decisions. Owners don't have to wait until summer to see a P&L statement that reflects an outdated version of the company that no longer exists. Consistent monthly pacing ensures the leadership team is working with a current map of their finances, rather than a historical record. The result of this daily process is a state of constant readiness. Audit-ready books mean the financial foundation of the business is transparent all year. There is no scramble to organize files when an investor or a lender asks for proof of health. That daily accuracy across transactions and payouts preserves profit margins by catching errors before they have a chance to affect the bottom line. This is real visibility. It's the ability to see the exact financial health of the business on a random Tuesday afternoon, instead of waiting for a report in April. The chaotic seasonal scramble is entirely gone because the financial state of the company is already verified and documented. AccountTech provides the continuous 365-day financial partnership necessary for a modern business to scale with confidence.